Hello good people, if you are struggling with your IDM download speed, then this video is for you. This little tiny trick will help you to increase your IDM download speed to 100%. So let's begin. First open your IDM. Then click on the download in the menu bar, then select option. In the new window, select connection, then select connection type. Select high speed connection or direct connection from the drop down menu. Then select 32 max connection number, then press OK and press OK again. So this little trick will increase your internet speed. If it's helped you, then please subscribe and share this video.